All right, man, for all the third gen F-body fans out there. Woo! Oh my God, it is hot out here. Freaking middle of July in Texas. Damn. Man, I'm sweating bolinas out here. Anyways, yeah, got a, what is this? Fire chicken. Pontiac Firebird. I think that's what it is, right? I don't think it's a Trans Am. I think it's just a Firebird. But I'm not sure the year. I gotta look at it again. You know, it's kind of more interested in what I found inside. But yeah, man, might be a little treat for some of you guys. Maybe you guys can help me out. What do you think on a certain thing I was looking at up in here? A couple of things, but yeah, that's what we got. All black. I think it was repainted. I think. I'm not sure, but we'll see the. And I know I couldn't find the what do you call it, the RPO codes on this one, man. They weren't in the back or right there in the center console deal there. First off, man, check it out. She's got some soft 8s, man. She's got some Cragar soft 8s. Yes, she does. Looks like the city of Fort Worth said, "Out of here, buddy." Towed it. When was that? When was that? July 19th it was towed. No, wait. That can't be. What? Wait, what date are we on? Today is the, I don't even know what day is. But or maybe that's when it was going to be, but they just did it earlier, sooner or something. Or oh, I know what happened. Yeah. I don't think the city towed it. I think they just had it junked. Yeah, that's what it was. Oh man. Hold on a second, guys. I got all this. Oh man, I got all this sweat in my eyes from so freaking hot out here, man. Sweating like crazy. Dylan's bit down there. Maybe you can see it. His tail light's busted. Couldn't open the hatch here. Couldn't find the key. There were two keys, but not neither one opened the hatch. I did get back there, crawled back there, but there was nothing really. Didn't find anything. I mean, overall, it's a straight car. I mean, it wasn't wrecked or anything, you know. If you look at it, go down here, get a little low here for you. I know that sun is beaming right on that corner. As soon as I get down there, you see that thing just, oh man, blowing out the picture. But yeah, full set of these soft 8 Cragars. I am tempted to take them. I think they're like 20 bucks here a piece, so I know I might take them. Anyways, let's like I said, couldn't get under here, and in the I couldn't open the hatch here, but there was really nothing back. There's a bunch of junk. But inside, that door panel, you know, can't really see nothing there. It's all. But yeah, she was a black car. Yeah, it was all black. It might have been repainted, but I think so. Maybe, I'm not sure. Dash pad is cracked, like the vast majority of them. Oh, let me get down here. Yeah. Found the lock for the wheels. That's cool. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really, you know, this is on the inside, you know, she's. Man, I'm sorry, man, but it's just too freaking hot right now. I'm trying my best to get through this, but damn, it's freaking hot. Oh man, spent all my energy just trying to look at stuff in here. And if the you know, the video comes out a little crappy, man, I'm sorry. My phone arrives in a few days. My new phone. I'm going with the LG V30. I'm in a love-hate relationship with LG. Everything else sucks about them except their cameras. So, and here I can't. Look at this crap, man. Come on. Sorry about that. Well, okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I said, man, I'm like almost disoriented with this heat. Anyways, check it out. These are brand new weather strippings for the right here. Brand spanking new. I don't know what brand they are or whatnot, but you know, they're here. And under here, like that right there, see that box right there? We're gonna go around the other way, man, because I can't. I don't have the energy now. JC Whitney, man, who still buys stuff from JC Whitney? I didn't even know they still existed, or do they? All right, this door panel, as you can see, it's all right. Here's that other tail light they had for it, which is in decent shape. See? I gotta bend down here because. All right. This here too. This weather stripping. What's this for? This is for the door strip molding ends. That from Soft Seal. So, you know, not sure if these are made in US or whatnot. I would hope they are. Doesn't say. Alright. Does it? Doesn't say. Anybody knows if Soft Seal is made here? But there you go, brand new. This was brand new. Oil filter bypass. It's 59 to 64 Pontiac. Huh. That's mine. I must have dropped that. Two-way check valve, brand new. I don't know. Anybody know this? Can ID this? This only numbers I see on it. If I can see them. Like I said, man, I apologize in advance. Oh man, it's just freaking hot as crap, man. I see E167. I don't know if you guys can see that. And up on top it says, on the other side it says 961563. So, anybody know this cam? It's rusted there. Bearings. Set that down there. I don't think it was ever used though. Doesn't look like it. Just a bunch of other just random stuff here. Would have been for the engine. Here's the other thing. Maybe somebody can help me. Let me know what. Ring and pinion gear looks to have never been used. And the only numbers I see on both of them, they match, is the 6.5. It just says 6.5. Can you see that? I don't know if you can. It says there 6.5. And that's it. Same with the, if I can see it where, well, trust me, it's there. It's the only numbers are under, a 6 and a 5. So, you know what that is? I'm not gonna look it up. My phone will freaking die trying to look at crap. And then we got this here, man. This is from Speedway Motors. It says assembled in the USA. So, oh, that's true. Because that's right. Because the bearings are actually in Japan, made in Japan. So that's good stuff. You know. But, yeah. We got a kit here for 7.5. You know. Brand new. Never used. And the rest of the stuff, I didn't see anything else that was worth mentioning inside the car. So, like I said, man, people, you know, just they just, for some reason or another, something bad happens in their life or something, and you know, cars end up here. I sure hope this thing is looking okay. Like I said, this phone is really crapping out on me, man. Really. So, and under the hood, we have, if I can, give me 1 second. Again, sorry guys, but I gotta get up in here with one hand, one knee, trying to prop this damn thing up here. About, it's burning my freaking shoulder. Black car in the Texas sun. Yeah. So I was curious. I wonder, did they pull this engine out? Were they gonna pull it, or did they? Actually, what I'm thinking now is they may have just pulled the freaking. They may have just pulled this off. I don't know. I know they took the intake off at some point, either on the car or, you know, out the engine, either in the car or out of the car. But we got here roller rockers. I can't can't see if they're, you know, like from, say, you know, what brand, or if they're just like a Summit brand or something like that, or a, you know, Speedway Motors brand. You know, they got chrome valve covers. Oh, something got in my eye. Oh my god. Anyways, so they converted it to 134. Well, try to anyways. Excel wires. We got an MSD with the blaster coil back here. I'd be tempted to get that. You know, I should swap into my car. Yeah. Other than that, I don't know if that's a, you know, a good distributor under there or not. But there it is. It's a. I'm assuming it's a 305. And like I said, I don't know. I'm not. There's no codes on it that I can see. The paper, the what you call it, that normally under here is not here. Yeah. And what else? Couldn't find any RPO codes on it. Well, that's new, or newish. So yeah, there it is. I might be tempted to take those soft 8s. Oh crap. $80. Not a bad deal, I don't think, right? All right, man. It's gonna be it for this one. I'm beat. I need to go get me some water later.